And it's a big welcome back to the Sardine News. This is Sean speaking. 10th of November 2024. It happens to be a Sunday, but the pictures you're looking at now are actually from Saturday morning, yesterday morning. Thank you to Adam Kamdar, who's on the spot. Lots of beach users yesterday, but yeah, moving on to today. Yep, this is this morning. Very nice conditions. Southwest is going to paint the place smooth all day long. Surfing, fishing, maybe diving. We'll find out from the bear later. But yeah, Adam's gone fishing again, and he has caught these lekker bonitos. So we're going to put a little special in here about how to make a meal that I learned to make in Mozambique. When you got no mince, you can make a bonito bolognese. Okay, coming right up. Yeah, we're going to go to Pomene, all the way up in Mozambique. Not that picture, that's Adam this morning. But where we invented bonito bolognese, because we all went up there on a big boat and we were all having a great time, and someone forgot the mince behind to make the big bolognese. We were going to plan for that first lunch, but we had caught so many tuna that I decided to mince the tuna and make spaghetti bolognese, but tuna bolognese. And then I realized you can use bonito too. Any of those red meat fish works fantastically. So there, and the link's going to be in the description below. Moving down to the South Coast. Yeah, and now we're down the South Coast. That is the sand spit. There's a lot of guys there. Looks like some are casting paddle tails and things like that, but mostly there's baits out. The mouth's flowing quite nicely, but there's blue water here on the inside, blue water out there, and very blue water all around. A hell of a nice day to be fishing. Okay, moving right on. We're just quickly going to check out Mozambique. So these pictures are from a few days ago, and I've got first-hand information from yesterday from my friends who are hanging out in Maputo that the whole town has stopped protesting and now they're partying. They're partying flat out. It's quite distressing. I'm not too sure what kind of reaction that is to. But anyway, there's no more protests. There's just parties in Maputo. And while we're up in Mozambique, welcome back, Duarte. 3 weeks on the Great Barrier Reef. Check what he's been up to. Those are big fish, man. Really big fish. Lots of stories. And luckily, Duarte has begun. That's a trilogy. He's got 3 stories for us to read so far. Well, 2 are published, 1 to go. What fun. Oh, wow. And that's quite an action-packed Sardine News insert episode for today, the 10th of November 2024. Thank you to Duarte, Adam, Bear, anybody else who has been contributing lately. What a lot of fun. Please, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's have some more fun. Shot. Ciao.